Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are simply going to be installing mats on this truck, and they're from OEDRO. So I'll leave the link in the description down below, so that way you guys can get your very own as well. I've gone with these mats before because they're a lot less expensive than the WeatherTech mat, and of course they perform the same, and they are pretty good quality as well. So should I say you're getting the bang for the buck? No? So you're getting a good item at a good price, good quality, and you don't have to break the bank. We installed in our new 2021 Ford Explorer. This one from the factory does come with mats, but they're not really mats. It's just the little rug, the rug mats. But those are really not good for much. If you get in the vehicle and you have dirt on your feet or mud, all that little debris is going to start piling up on the rug, and it's just going to collect in there, and it's going to be a hassle when it comes to detailing your vehicle, or basically when it comes to detailing the inside. All right guys, so this is what I mean. So you see right here, these are the ones that it comes with. So these are not really, well, to me they're not mats, you know, but I mean, these are just the rug ones that the vehicle comes with. All right guys, so once you receive your mats, this is the box that it comes in. These are the OEDRO mats. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox them. All right guys, so basically this is how these mats come. Okay, so you have your instructions here. Basically, the instructions are for. Let me just go ahead and open this real quick.
Hold on, Chloe explain us that.
Okay, so this is basically whole mat. It includes retaining clips as well, which are these right here. So this is just a little instruction manual, the care and use instructions. You can go ahead and go over those whenever you have free time and after your installation. So all right guys, so first we're going to go with the front ones. So let's see. This is actually your rear area one for your third row. This is going to be your second row, and these are the front row. These are your front mats. So this is going to be your driver's side. The only reason you know this is because it has the formation going up here, and this is where the gas pedal is on the 2021s. All right guys, so basically this one is going to go in here. Now for this, you do have to remove this mat right here. I'm going to remove this one. So once you have that removed, now you have these little things, pins, I guess you can say, and this is how it'll go. So you just, and there you go. And there you go. There is the mat installed. You put this on the pins. You can see there. And this one is very, very nice. The fit is very nice. The Fitment. So that way, when it comes to detailing your car, like having to do the vacuum part of it, you don't waste a lot of time doing this. All you would have to do is pull this out and carefully pull it out, and most of the dirt will be collected in this area. All right guys, now we're going to get the passenger side, and this one is going to go in there. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and move the seat give us proper space so that we can install this one. And same thing, you just remove this and we're going to put this one in. So I know you guys see a hole on this one. This side doesn't have a hole for it, but it goes in there pretty good. So this is the hole that I'm talking about. There's really no pin under there, but this is how it would go. So there you go, you have that perfect fitment. Really nice. You guys can see there. Very, very good fitment. And like I said, everything gets trapped in there. So what I'll do is I'll probably just plug this hole up. But other than that, the mats look pretty sharp. Everything's tight. So all the line, see that? See that right here? So that's what you want with these mats. That way, whenever you do encounter a situation where, you know, you have a lot of dirt or mud, you know, it all stays in the mat. All right, guys, now we're just gonna go ahead and do the middle area. And all right, guys, so now it's time for the second row mat. So all we're gonna go ahead and do is do a little push and you're pretty much set. So that's the install for this second row, and you can see everything's good. You're not going to have a bunch of material collecting on the carpet. And check it out, guys, it's really nice. It just flows well. All the areas are pretty nicely tucked, and you get all that all the particles collected in here. And when it comes time to it, what you can do is vacuum that. All right, guys, and here's the final piece, the third row. See, all you have to do is just set it down, and it has these formations for your plastic area. So there you go. Just go ahead and push it down, and now that's how that would look. So as you can see, where the person is gonna put their feet on, that's where all that stuff is going to be collected, all the particles. And when it comes time, like I said, to do the vacuum part of it, that's a lot easier than just having a bunch of particles on your carpet. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little cinematic view of these mats. I love how they turned out. So like I said, if you guys want some for your some of your very own, they also sell for other vehicles. All right, guys, so like I said and I mentioned before, I will leave a description down below so you guys can get your very own OEDRO mats for your 2021 Explorer. Or they do have mats for other makes and models, guys, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. I will leave their website and their link down below, as well as a discount code down below. That way you guys can go ahead and use it. You know, it's good to save money here and there. So anyways, that is all for today. Hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you guys enjoyed this cinematic view, this little cinematic video that I'm going to make of the mats.